How can this diva help another diva?
Well, my question is about my lips. How can I accentuate them, make them look fuller? What do I use and how do I do it?
Okay, by the way, you can always sell the illusion with this lips. I know a lot of ladies want like really luscious lips and you don't need to buy them because you can just sell the fantasy. Yes, you can sell the fantasy and I'll tell you how to do it. You need a good old gloss. Okay, people? And
I love gloss.
You love gloss, right? You know, a good lip pencil and a good lipstick, okay? So what you do is you're gonna take your pencil, if you turn right here, baby, what you wanna do is that you just wanna go outside and line your natural. There we go.
Drag's all about pushing boundaries.
So would you do that a little bit above, or does that make it look weird?
Just a little on the edge.
Just
on the edge.
right
Just
on
a
the
little
edge.
on the edge.
On the edge.
And make sure that when you're lining that lip, make sure you go really heavy around the edges because it's gonna, and then when you go to the middle, around the edges of this lip, and then when you go to the middle, go light with
little
that
lighter
pencil
in the center.
because it's gonna help you get that pout.
Oh.
That, you know. There you go. You know, everybody.
I pout more like a trout.
Let's see. It's good. It's good.
It's like a largemouth bass.
There you go. You're blending.
I'm trying to live and learn.
So what we are doing now, we are filling in.
Oh, look, you took a little, these doodads.
Yeah.
Like a little applicator stick.
Yeah, and we're just filling.
Instead of slathering. Right?
We're just filling
Save
in,
the slather for the
blending.
gloss.
Remember, you don't want
the
to. You don't want to be able to see the line. You never want to see the lip line. So you want to use your color and just blend. Say
that's
bland,
gorgeous.
Rachel. Just say bland.
Bland.
You gotta blend.
Bland.
Rachel, I have to tell you, I'm so excited to meet you.
Why?
You taught me how to cook,
Blend,
girl.
baby.
Yes.
30-minute meals is coming back.
30-minute meals.
Coming back. I just shot 30 new ones.
Oh my God.
You're gonna love.
You taught me how to cut an onion.
Amazing. Oh, the onion hat.
Yes.
I gave him the onion hat.
Yes.
And then Alexis gave me the face hat.
There you go.
There you go. It's full
There you
circle.
do that.
We're here. And then, oh my God, that's so good.
And then you want to take a go. Guys, I know now the trend with makeup is everybody wanting some matte lips, but I love a good old luscious.
Gloss.
Yeah, they will.
Gloss
Oh,
is your
right.
Life is too
Gloss
short.
will never go out
That's
of fashion, and it gives you that illusion that your lips are way more luscious than they really are. So you. Blend
Well,
it.
I hope that this special
There you
becomes
go.
a series because I think
Absolutely.
it's so empowering and so loving, and I love that type of program.
What we are about is celebrating women. That's what we're about. That's what drag is about.
Yeah.